Hope you're all having a good day. What is the weather like where you live? We finally got some snow. Oh my goodness, cutie! Are you guys ready for school?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's picture day today. You guys look so handsome and so beautiful. Layla's going with the Christmas theme. I mean, we did just get snow, so makes sense. Yeah, going for the school theme. Beautiful. Okay. Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Hold on, let me help you.
Hey guys! This has been the best snow ever. Obviously, the best snow ever.
Okay, we're gonna build a snowman. Winston doesn't want to. Let's see how long it lasts out here. But we're gonna have some fun until we get too cold. Is it snowing where you guys live? We're excited because we haven't had really any snow this year. So we're excited about it. Okay, I'm gonna put my gloves on. I'm gonna pull you around and we're gonna build a snowman.
Love you, Winston.
You made a snow angel? Good job. We didn't get our furniture put away. Not good. Whoa, I just dropped my snow.
Gloves.
The snow's just gonna kind of be on your gloves.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear.
Okay, we at least got Winston to hop on the sled so I can pull him around. Do you want to zip up your coat? Because I'm going to dump you off of the sled. What do you think about that? I dumped Layla off. Okay, zip her up. Zip her up, zip her up. Hop on if you dare. Okay, hold on to Winston. Winston, you slide forward a little bit, buddy. Oh no, it came untied. Okay, just a second. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hey, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! That didn't last very long. Hop up. This trampoline is supposed to be fine to leave up in all weather conditions because the springs are different. It still makes me a little nervous, but. Uh-oh, Layla can't see.
Help. Help. Come. No, it's fun.
You want me to come up there with you? Okay. Hop on here, Winston. Hey, get that other glovey. Layla's cold.
Yeah.
She needs some gloves that fit better, huh? We can only find one of her little gloves. You did good. Okay, I'll pull you over to the door. Here we go. Here we go. Layla turned into a frozen snowman. Do you want to go inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Grab your hat and your gloves. I'll be back for you, boyfriend.
Somebody ate the carrot.
Did Rosie eat the carrot?
What's he?
Stinker.
It's no carrot.
Rosie, you need to take your boots off before you come in the house. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get my blow dryer. Blow dry her little legs. Those are some serious snowballs, girl. I'll be right back. Okay, I tried blow drying and crushing up these clumps of snow, but that's not working. So I'm gonna put Rosie in the bathtub and then I'm gonna blow dry her hair because that's gonna be a lot faster. Look at these snowballs on Rosie's little legs. Oh man, you're so cute. Are you freezing? I might really make a mess of things here in a second, but I'm cutting Rosie's hair. I like to leave her legs a little bit longer, and they are just a little bit too long, I think, and that's why the snow's clumping. And I just don't want her to have to like go through that. So I'm gonna cut them a little. Like all of this. You're doing so good, sis. She does not like this, so I don't want to have to put her through this all the time. If she gets a little snowball stuck to her, I won't give her a full bath because I don't want to dry her skin out. I'll just rinse off her legs, but I'll still have to blow dry them. So I just think this will make it a little easier. It might look bad. I've never cut a dog's hair before, but we'll see. I'm gonna cut your hair. Yeah, lay down like that. Good girl. Oh, that's a good girl. Hello, sweetie. Oh, sorry. Got your long login. Okay, I'll show you when she's done. But so far, this is a difference. See, well, it's not blow dried, but see, she had all this long hair, and now I just cut it a little shorter. What do you think? Here she is, the cutest dog in the world. Her new little haircut. Not too bad. Not too bad. You were such a good girl. She has like the most easygoing little personality. Thank goodness. Huh? You're such a good girl. Hey, you want a treat? I promised her steak. It's a secret. Promise your dog steak and then they'll hold still. What in the world is going on here? What is this? Did you do this?
Yes.
Did you do this?
This is what it's for.
This is what it's for? Okay, let's see it.
I watched this on a movie.
Oh, nice. Winston was doing sit-ups earlier too, because Cobra Kai. Nice. Whoa, got you. What's cooking over here that smells so good? Yum. Did you find some peppers? Oh, yes, you did. That looks good. Will you wipe this pan out once you're done? Because I'm going to make something. I've had a few people ask about this pan, and I do love it. Just my opinion. Just if I like it or not.
Nothing sticks to it. Watch.
Seriously, nothing is stuck to it. Really good. I did get it on sale. Because it's kind of expensive. Okay, I'm going to make a sandwich.
Here, try this one.
Mmm. Nice.
The peppers need to cook.
Gage has been cooking with Casey a lot lately.
Yep.
And he's doing a really good job. You're a really good cook. Don't you also have a class?
Yep.
Go Gage.
I'm gonna go see him.
I'm making a flatbread sandwich. Whoever came up with this, like, where you cut it and then you fold it and you fold it and you fold it, you are a genius.
Thanks, Mom.
I've been doing that. Yeah. Nobody around here came up with that.
I did.
I know. Casey tried to act like you did. Like,
I did.
Look
Was
at this,
that
guys.
the first one you saw do it?
Oh yeah, that is when you did the
I saw
Yeah.
I saw so many people
No, you
do
did
it
not.
online
I
first.
did it. They saw me do it.
Dad did it on his Facebook.
Okay. Super exciting. I ordered a new camera and I'm so excited because we're gonna be in focus. We're not gonna be in and out of focus. Hopefully, it's supposed to. I ordered Sony
Wait, you got a Sony?
ZV-1. Yeah, I got a Sony. I've only ever had Canon, and I felt like, oh, is this okay to do something different? But I did a lot of research and really looked into all the cameras and all the good things, and I thought about doing the Canon M50, I think.
But you didn't.
And it looks like a great camera, and it probably is a really great camera, but
it's
like it
not.
needs a different lens. And then I was like, I am not good at that. So the Sony just seems like it has it all. It was more money. It was expensive. Those are cute.
I've seen this before.
It was making me a little nervous to make the purchase, but
galaxy on the bottom?
I'm so excited.
Back to the moon.
Laughing cow cheese, roast beef.
Big.
The flatbread that I'm using is called Cut de Carb. I got them on Instagram. I like it. They're pretty thin.
One winner
They're
and one
good.
summer. Okay, Mom, I cleaned off the pan for you.
Thank you.
I didn't.
Mustard. Hummus. Hummus is the greatest. I could eat like literally spoonfuls of it. How do we have such different
Because it looks like
likes?
baby poop.
We have the cheese. And we're gonna put it on the roast beef. We're gonna put this on the mustard. I'm just happy that it works so well with these because I need to eat them because they're going to expire.
I just sprayed myself in the face, but
And then I just warm it up on both sides. And then I eat this one and then I really want another one. Should I just make another one? Probably. What do you think about that egg quesadilla?
You said sandwich.
Yeah, because it is kind of a sandwich. Is it good?
Yeah.
I decided to have some carrots because I need some vegetables and also some cookie dough.